Welcome to the new QuickBooks Online Accountant. Let's take a look inside and learn more about reclassifications, some accountant-only reporting, and how to go from closed books to a tax return. With the new QBOA, you can quickly clean up your clients' books, particularly when they miscode or miscategorize transactions. So I'm going to go to Clients, QuickBooks, and choose Beautiful Landscaping. And once the accountant is inside of the QBO file, you can click on the suitcase or the accountant toolbox, and then under Accountant Tools, choose Reclassify Transactions. My period is for the current month, and as you can tell, I already have several miscategorized checks and uncategorized expenses. With this accountant tool, I can check off all the checks, and then down below, I can change the account to the appropriate account and even do some class tracking. Once I have recategorized to the account in batch, as well as done the same for classes, I can click Reclassify. Now they're categorized correctly. Accessing your client's QuickBooks Online file also gives you some accountant-specific reports. I'll click on Reports, and then Accountant Reports, and we have the Adjusted Trial Balance Report, the Adjusting Journal Entry Report, as well as two comparative reports, a Profit and Loss report and a balance sheet, which compares to the prior period or year. Now what you're looking at here is the Adjusting Journal Entry Report, and this report will show all journal entries, as I drill into one right now, that has the adjusting flag checked. And here's a quick example of the comparative balance sheet, as you can see for current year and then the prior year. And I can add subcolumns for comparison. Finally, when it's time to close the books, look no further. You'll find the fully integrated Books to Tax to take you from closed books to a final tax return. So again, under the suitcase or accountant toolbox there, Accountant Tools, Books to Tax. Here's the Getting Started page where you can choose the particular entity type, and we'll go ahead and map most of the accounts for you just by clicking Map My Client's Data. You have several options, 1040, 1065, 1120, and 1120S. I'm going to leave it for 1040. As you can see, QBO has mapped most of my accounts, but some remain unmapped, and it's as simple as just clicking and then choosing the appropriate line that would go on the tax return. Once all accounts are mapped, you would see the ending balances that will go to the tax return, and then you can click Post to Tax Return to post the balances to the fields in Intuit Tax Online. The Intuit Tax Online program will open in a different window, and you'll be brought to the Profile page. You can also go to the Input Return window to check the return, as well as file the return from here. As you scroll down, you'll see the Book to Tax imports and how all the balances came over from QuickBooks Online into Intuit Tax Online. As always, if you need help while you're in your client's QuickBooks Online file, just click on the Help icon in the upper right-hand corner of the program. And these are some of the key features you'll find in the new QuickBooks Online Accountant. Have a great day.